Hello and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. Well, today is Monday of our writing week. Oh, what fun. This is where we actually get to put into practice everything we've learned this entire month, right, for our enjoyment. And if you're in LiLLiPub, you can post your writing and we'll talk about it in our Saturday meeting. Well, I'm not going to take up any more of Victoria's time. Victoria, take it away with your Monday compass.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back. We always say every week is our favorite week, but writing week, of course, really is our favorite week because it's when we get to do the writing. So for today's compass, I'm not going to give too much away, but we're going to take some of these little components that we've been working with throughout the month, and we're going to compress those down into one kind of nugget of an assignment. And what I'm going to ask you to do is I'm going to ask you to choose an intangible as the thing that is the catalyst for your writing. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but we're going to talk about that during the map tomorrow. And I'm going to set you off on a course of experimenting with this week's writing assignment. So with that, I will send it over to Kathleen.
Oh boy, that sounds fascinating, Victoria. Well, this is for writing week. We're in the character trait of meekness. So without spoiling what the actual assignment is, you're going to know pretty much in advance that it's going to be on meekness, and it has a chance to write a character who has that going on in his background. And if you have been visiting LiLLiPub, you know that we're doing weekly assignments now on the character traits over there. So you might have had a chance to see some examples. But if not, you can come on back tomorrow and we'll go through exactly what your assignment is. Anything to add, Victoria?
Nope, this is going to be a good one. And I would imagine we're going to dovetail a bit. So we'll see about that tomorrow.
Okay, see you tomorrow then. Bye-bye.